G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the windscreen locking strip installation tool. So, what is this tool and what does it do? Well, it installs the locking strip on a classic Mini that goes around the outside of the front windscreen or the rear screen of the vehicle. Now, these can be an absolute pain to do, so this tool just helps to make it that little bit easier. All you need to do is feed the piece through here, whether it be the chrome filler or even just the rubber strip, and then slide it in through the rubber and then wind it all the way around the windscreen itself. Now, the correct fitment of this seal is to make sure that both of the rubber strips or the two ends, whether it be chrome or rubber, attach at the bottom together. Failure to do so and doing it at the top or at another position can cause water ingress inside the vehicle, causing it to rust and potentially wet everything inside there. So this is a worthwhile tool investing. They are worth a couple of dollars from Minisport, and it's worthwhile checking out if you're removing the windscreen either front or back on your classic Mini and you do need to refit it inside there. Please take note as well that this tool is a necessity if you are doing any sort of classic Mini modifications to your vehicle that requires you to take the windscreen in and out or do any sort of panel work around the front or the back of the vehicle. They are inexpensive and it is a worthwhile tool investing in if you're doing anything along those lines. Make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.